Let's practice a little bit more with the periodic table, estudiantes. Let's look at nitrogen. Tell me how many protons does nitrogen have in each one of these instances. Protons are positive. I see 7 and 7. And let's just put a slash in there. I'm not trying to make these some kind of mathematical XY grouping. What about electrons? Electrons are negative. Remember that if protons are positive and these are neutral atoms, then the electrons and the protons would have to be equal. So if there are 7 protons, there are 7 electrons in each one of these, correct? And then lastly, let's look at neutrons. Neutrons are neutral particles found in the nucleus. These are in the nucleus. These swarm around the outside like bees around a beehive. Neutrons, 14 minus 7 makes what? 15 minus 7 makes what? And by the way, what do you call these different flavors of nitrogen atoms? You say these are what? We say they are isotopes.